Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to my Mona kitchen. Today I show you how to make the macaroni cheese ball. So let's see the all the ingredients: salt, oregano, black pepper, parsley, cooking cream, macaroni, cheddar cube, mozzarella cheese, cheddar grater, flour, egg, and Japanese breadcrumb. So we are boiling the macaroni for the 7 minutes. We have put some oil and some salt. Now almost ready, so we will make a steamer. We have put some warm water. Keep it to full. So now we are mixing the macaroni together, creamy and cheese. First we have put the butter and put some garlic and we will put cooking cream, mix a little very well. We will put some cheddar cheese grater, little mozzarella cheese for the thicky, put some oregano, salt and pepper, mixing so see very thick enough. Now we will put the macaroni and mix it very well. And some parsley. We will add more cheddar cheese. So almost ready our, so we are remove from the burner now. We are making now cool. Then we will make ball. We put in the cheddar cube. So we are making all the things in bowl now. Total almost all bowl ready. So now we are making the breadcrumb. First we will put the flour. Then we will put egg, then we will put breadcrumb. You can cook your kids for evening tea break. It's very tasty and good also looking. Or some family events can use it also. So we are fry now. Put in the deep fry. While temperature should be to put 170 to 80. Almost ready. So we will remove now. Now we are plating. First we have put the cocktail sauce. and put one by one all the macaroni ball top of the sauce. Put some cheese tools for garnishing. Make little hole because don't have to cook. Put some tomato ketchup. Pomegranate seed some. Also mustard mayo. It's for garnishing. Not only should be eaten for, not like that. Even if you what you have in the home and the restaurant, you can forget. Put some red garnish for garnishing and bench parsley also. Almost done our macaroni cheese. Thank you so much for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.